Do you want to know how you can submit a request in Otter AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can submit a request in Otter AI. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Click on your profile, which you can see on the left hand side, and go to Contact Support. You can see that there will be a submit a request option. Go ahead and click on what option you want to submit a request. So go ahead and choose your interest, and you can see that this page will load up. This is your email address. Go ahead and write down the subject and click on what Otter AI can help you on, and then you can click on submit. So go ahead and write down what you want to do, write down the description, and you can also add attachments and then click submit. This way you can submit a request and then you can get help from Otter AI. Let me show it to you once again. Go ahead and click on your profile and then click contact support. Now choose an option for you to submit a request. So if you want to send a feedback, go to feedback, write down your email address, write down your subject, write down the description, and then attach the file. After that, click submit and then you can submit a request. I hope this video about how you can submit a request in Otter AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.